Timken axle bearing and hub assemblies are the ideal solution for Jeep owners seeking high-quality performance and reliable durability. Designed to support the vehicle's weight and transmit power without slipping, these bearing and hub assemblies ensure a tight fit to the wheels. Made from premium materials, they offer exceptional reliability and help enhance the performance of your Jeep's drivetrain. These assemblies are maintenance-free, making them easy to install and hassle-free to maintain, providing long-term reliability. They are built to withstand extreme conditions, offering excellent sealing and lubrication to prevent wear over time. Whether you're tackling tough off-road trails or driving on highways, Timken axle bearings and hub assemblies will perform consistently, ensuring your Jeep's wheels turn with power and precision. Vehicle fitment includes Jeep Cherokee, 1999 to 2001, and Jeep Wrangler, 1999 to 2006, so you can trust that they are designed for your vehicle's specific needs. Easy installation means less time in the garage and more time on the road or trails. Plus, with a product built to last, Timken axle bearings will help you get the most out of your Jeep. Upgrade your Jeep's performance with Timken axle bearing and hub assemblies. Click the link in the description to purchase and experience enhanced reliability today.